Hey Cobras, it's me, Mr. McGrath, your librarian, and this is my second video on the databases. I start off by going over here, I logged in with my Google account, and now I'm going to pretend that I'm writing a paper, say for social studies or language arts. So I'm going to just power search this Gale thing. It's a pretty good site. It goes all over the place. Now, it's going to give me a lot of different options to open up once it loads up. And if you spend some time on here, you can see there's a lot that you might want to go to. My recommendation for many people is to go down here towards the bottom to the O section for opposing viewpoints. And I'm going to click on this one because there are some very interesting and intriguing topics. I could search for something right here if I wanted to. I'm going to hit this little light bulb button and try and get an idea by browsing the issues. And they're all in alphabetical order here. I have three columns. Oh, look at this! Fast fashion! Perfect for me! So I'm clicking on fast fashion. I get an overview over here. I could read more about it, or I could go to different kinds of sources and see what I wanted. If I wanted videos or magazine articles or things like that. I have featured viewpoints, and these little dice here, I know they don't look like dice, but these are dice, and these show you how difficult it is to actually read these. So if I want something really meaty, I might look for a die with 5 or 6. If I want something simpler, I might get this little viewpoint essay that has only 3 dots on it. That's all for now. Stay tuned for my next video coming up!